Wanna know how to update Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, there are various ways you can update your Mobile Legends. First things first is you can just simply open up your application. Now, once you've done that, if there are any updates, your Mobile Legends should automatically request for an update. We can sometimes update through in-game simply, and you can just simply restart a game and play it. That's how easy it is. Next thing is to simply head towards Play Store. So just simply open up your Play Store and then head towards your search bar and then just simply type in Mobile Legends. Now once I've selected, right here you can see Mobile Legends. Just simply open up for more information, and now right here instead of play or install you should be seeing update. So you can just simply select update after that, and that is on. There you have it. Your Mobile Legends should be updated automatically and you should be able to play it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.